everyone, I am Ayush Yadav from CBZ Roll No 90, first year in BSc. Today we learn about study of environment. So let's start.
The environment encompasses all living and non-living things that naturally exist on Earth. It is a complex and interconnected system, including everything from microscopic organisms to vast ecosystems like forests and oceans. The environment provides the resources essential for life, such as clean air, fresh water, and fertile soil. It also regulates the Earth's climate and provides natural services like pollination and water purification. However, human activities have significantly impacted the environment, leading to issues such as climate change, pollution, and biodiversity loss. Protecting the environment is crucial for ensuring the well-being of future generations. Sustainable practices and conservation efforts are vital for mitigating these impacts and maintaining a healthy planet. This plant is a costus is a genus of perennial, herbaceous plants in the family Costaceae, often referred to as the spiral ginger family. Despite their common name, they are not true gingers, Zingibraceae, but are closely related. They are known for their unique growth habit, where the stems often grow in a distinctive spiral or zigzag pattern, which is how they get their common name. These plants are native to tropical and subtropical regions around the world and are often found in rainforests and other humid environments. They typically have broad, glossy leaves arranged spirally around the stem and produce striking flowers, which can be yellow, red, or white, often emerging from cone-like bracts at the tip of the stem. Many species of costus are used in traditional medicine in various parts of the world, and some are also cultivated as ornamental plants for their lush foliage and beautiful flowers. This is a Kanheri Caves. Carved from basalt rock, the Kanheri Caves are a group of more than 100 caves that served as a significant Buddhist settlement, monastery, and educational center from the 1st century BCE to the 11th century CE. The caves feature intricate carvings, sculptures, and reliefs that reflect the evolution of Buddhist art and architecture. The site is a popular historical and archaeological landmark, attracting visitors who are interested in India's rich heritage and the history of Buddhism. This is a rhesus macaque, a common monkey species found throughout much of India. Rhesus macaques have light brown or grey fur, expressive pink faces, and long tails, and are known for their adaptability to both forests and urban environments. They are highly social animals, often seen in family groups near human settlements. Bamboo is a fast-growing, woody perennial plant that belongs to the grass family Poaceae. It includes over 1,400 species found mainly in tropical, subtropical, and mild temperate regions. Bamboo stems, called cones, are typically hollow and grow quickly, with some species capable of growing up to 30 centimeters, about 1 foot, per day. Bamboo is highly versatile and used in construction, paper, fabrics, food, and as an environmental resource because it produces more oxygen and absorbs more carbon dioxide than many trees. It grows in clumps or spreads through underground rhizomes and flowers rarely, often once in a lifetime after many years. This plant is a wild grass commonly found in India, featuring a dense, bottlebrush-like flower spike with a pink and white gradient. The species is likely from the Pennisetum genus, valued for its ornamental appearance and ecological benefits. Such grasses thrive in open fields and play important roles in fodder production and soil conservation.
Everyone, how was my presentation? These are some friends who helped me make this presentation, Principal and Hussain. So thank you all of you for watching my presentation.